Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to clean yourself on Red Dead Redemption 2. And there are two ways to clean yourself. The easy way is, all you have to do is just change your clothes. And another option is to take a bath. And to take a bath, you must find a hotel or a saloon with a lodging option. So after you find one of those, all you have to do is just approach the hotel owner and hold the right mouse button. And while holding the right mouse button, you can see in the right bottom corner for the option. And go for the option bath holding A on your keyboard. And after you rent a bathroom, all you have to do is just go inside the bathroom. And that's how you clean yourself on Red Dead Redemption 2. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.